Hi and welcome. I'm Pierre, the Nordic Shaman. Today I want to channel a healing from the angels. Please set your intention to receive if you want to receive the healing. Just feel that you are loved, that you're seen. Let go of the heavy thoughts. Open up to let the light in, to let the angels help you, guide you, and stand next to you. Thank you very much. Stay connected.